Hi everybody, Keith Best here once again, and in this video I'm going to go through and show you the new shortcodes, or I should say the conditional shortcodes. Okay, they're a bit like location sets, only whereas location sets you have a radius, so you can set that 5 miles or 10 miles or 1 mile or whatever. These will work on just one location itself. So if you come into here, build a new shortcode, and they work like if-else statements. Now, you can select the regions, but obviously we've only got one region, so not a lot to select. You just click on the question mark and it will show them across. And so we can select like we can have percent county, we can have East Riding of Yorkshire, Lincolnshire, North Yorkshire, South Yorkshire, West Yorkshire. You just click on there and it will take them in. Okay? And then we can select our locations. So basically, it doesn't matter what region it is, what county it's in, but if we say if it's in Wakefield, okay, so it finds a Wakefield location, it pulls that in, and we say this is the text for Wakefield. Okay, so that's going to be for Wakefield. So then we can add a new else, so it's like if it's Wakefield, then we're going to do that one. Otherwise, if it's location, Barnsley, and just like everything else, you can put HTML in here and it will work. Won't do another one, then we'll just put like sort of this is the standard text. Okay. Now make sure, see if you look down here, this is where the actual thing's getting built up. Now as you can see, this is standard text, is not in there yet. So make sure before you copy it, you click outside it so that it gets this built up. And just copy that. Come over here, drop it in, update. Updated. Go to here, refresh. So there you go, we're on the Wakefield page, so this is the text for Wakefield. So if I now go to that one, this is the standard text, and then if I go to Barnsley, I think. This is the text for Barnsley. So like I say, you can put something in there about that particular town. So if you just wanted to be specific to a town, then you can use that shortcode and just have it blank for like every other town. Or like I say, you can use the location sets if you want it to be built around a certain like sort of radius. Okay, hope that was useful. Catch you on the next video. Bye.